Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science once again. Children, in a previous video, we were discussing about chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Okay, in this chapter we have discussed about weather and climate. Now we will discuss the next topic of the chapter, that is adaptation. Okay, so start. So children, do you know what is adaptation? Adaptation, as I told you, that is to develop some special features or characteristics in their body to survive in the harsh habitat. Like for example, if the animal want to live in the very hot climate or very cold climate, so to survive on these habitat, the animals have to develop some special features in their body. Okay, so adaptation, that is to develop the special characteristics or features in their body to survive in the harsh habitat. Okay, see about this. Animals living in very cold climate and very hot climate should have special features to protect them from heat and cold. Okay, so here we'll take some example. Like first of all, we'll see about polar region. Polar region, in polar region the temperature is around minus 37 degrees Celsius. So at that temperature, how can the life is possible? How the animals survive? See, polar region, the very cold temperature there in most of the parts of the year, and it is approximately minus 37 degrees Celsius. So to survive on this climate, the animals have to develop some special features in their body. Okay, in the polar region, one of the most interesting thing important, that is in polar region 6 months sun does not rise, and for the 6 month the sun does not set. Okay, half year the sun does not rise and half year the sun does not set. So that's why the temperature is goes very cold there. Okay, some animals that are found in polar region are polar bear, penguin, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, Siberian crane. Okay, so these are the some example, some animals that are found in the polar region. Okay, where the life is extremely harsh. So how these animals are survive there, we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will take the example of polar bear. Okay, polar bear is animal, they are survive in the polar region because they have white fur. Okay, and they are not easily visible in the snow, that's why they can easily capture their prey. Okay, that's why they can easily capture their prey, they can easily attack on the other animals. Okay, those are weak than bear, so they can easily take their meal from their prey. Second, they have two layer of fur which protect them from extreme cold. Okay, two layers of fur they have, and by the use of the layer of furs they can protect them from the extreme cold. Third, they have a layer of fat under the skin which also protects them from cold. Okay, they have a layer of fat, they have a layer of fur. By the use of these things, they can easily protect from the cold. Okay, so the polar bear develop these features in their body to survive in the polar region. Number 4, their paws. Okay, paws, that is pange. Okay, their paws are wide and large, which help them to walk on snow and swim in water. Okay, their paws are very important, they're very useful for the polar bear, because by the use of their paws they can easily walk on the snow and they can easily swim in water. Okay, fifth, that is they have a strong sense of smell which help them to catch their prey. Okay, so children, these are some special features of the polar bear that enable the polar bear to live in the polar region. Okay, here some pictures of the polar bear, you can see that. Okay, next, that is adaptation of penguins. Okay, this is also a very important regarding your exam. Like in exam may be asked how the adaptation of penguin takes place. So some reason behind that. So some special features of the penguins that enable penguins to survive in the polar region are: they have a white colored body, so they are not easily visible in the snow. Okay, they cannot easily visible in the snow. Second, they have a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. Okay, they're very fatty, they have a layer of fat, so the fat enable the penguins to protect them from the extreme cold. Next, number 3, they huddle together. They huddle together to keep their body warm. Okay, they huddle together to keep their body warm. Okay, so in exam, if the question arise like why the penguin huddle together, so you can give the answer, that is they huddle together to keep their body warm. Okay, also they have a streamlined body and webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Okay, so children, these are some special features or characteristics of the penguins that enable them to survive in the harsh habitat. Okay, harsh, why we are saying harsh habitat? Because on the polar region the temperature is around minus 30 degrees Celsius, and at that temperature the life is not possible. But if the animals develop some special features in their body, so they can survive there. Okay, clear? Any problem regarding that? Now next one, that is adaptation of Siberian crane. Okay, Siberian crane, that is a bird that must keep their body warm to survive in winter. Okay, they have allergy in winter, so whenever winter will come, then they escape the place. Okay, they run away from that place. Some example is there in India, like the Siberian crane come to place in India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. So why these Siberian crane will come in the summer season because they escape the winter place. Okay, they are not able to survive in the winter. Okay, in winter they suffer a lot of problem. So but they do not have some special features them, so they have only one feature, that is they fly from them. Okay, they fly from the winter place to the warm place. Okay, see about the Siberian crane. The Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. Okay, so during winter it migrates to far away warmer places, like the two places I told you in India. The one place that is Jaipur in Rajasthan, and next that is Sultanpur in Haryana. Okay, if we visit in the uh, warm season, okay, then we can easily observe that in these places the Siberian crane are found. Okay, and these Siberian crane have came from the Siberia or from any other region where the winter is going on. Okay, so we can say that in last the Siberian crane come escape the winter season. Okay, and they come on warm place like Rajasthan, like Haryana. Here some pictures of the Siberian crane are there, you can see on your screen. Okay, this is a type of bird that can fly. Okay, clear? So children, now we have discussed about the adaptation in polar bear, adaptation in penguin, and adaptation in Siberian crane. Okay, three topic we have covered in this video. In the next video we'll take the adaptation in animals, adaptation in fishes, adaptation in elephants. Okay, so till then you learn very carefully what we have discussed. Like in the previous video we also discussed about the weather and climate, and this is this in this video adaptation we have discussed. So all things should be clear. You take a rough notebook first of all. Okay, whatever we are discussing, then you note down each and every point. Okay, the definition first of all, definition of weather, elements of weather, definition of climate. Okay, with examples, two example I have given in front of you. So two example you note down. Then adaptation, definition of adaptation, and after that adaptation in Siberian crane, adaptation in polar region, and adaptation in the penguins. First of all learn, okay, in rough notebook, then after that you can fare. Okay, clear?